What's good? Just kidding. Hey y'all, it's Alexis, and today I have a Gold Jane unboxing and mini haul video for you guys. So I've been working with Gold Jane, so they sent me a few pieces. Hopefully I'm like one of their permanent brand ambassadors and I can get a coupon code for you guys, but as of now I don't have one. But let me show you guys what I got. Damn. Alright. So the first thing that I'm going to show y'all is the shoes. And I'm a 7 in women's. And I got these lace up open toe shoes, and they're in the color tan. This is a really neutral color to go with a lot, and they're hella cute. Love. Okay. The next shoe that I got is these gel calls. Hello. Alright, back to the video. Okay, so the next pair of shoes that I got were these little booties, and these are so fucking fire. They're these black pointy toe lace up booties, and they're satin material. These shits is fucking sexy. These are badass, okay? So the first thing that I got is this teal, what is this called? This is called a teal underwire lace bodysuit, and it looks like this. Sexy can I? Ooh. Can't wait to style these pieces. And the next thing that I got is a royal satin top and pants set. So it's a 2-piece. So this is the top. The back is a bow. Hella cute. And then these are the pants. So it's wide leg at the bottom, and then it has a black stripe down the middle. Super cute, right? Right. Okay, the next thing that I got were these camouflage pants, and they're baggy, and the bottoms look like this, and it has a red stripe down the middle. Red stripe down the middle. I can't wait to wear these too. Like, this is a look, okay? And then I got this bomb ass coat. And this is called the long bomber jacket. And I got it in olive. So it just looks like this. It's a bomber. And it has the little green and red stripe detailing, and it's just super cute. So those are the pieces that I got from Gold Jane. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to share this video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your side nigga, even your baby mama. Love you.